It's long been said that there's no sound in space, and that's true. Space is a vacuum, so it generally doesn't carry sound waves like air does here on Earth. Though some sounds do exist in outer space, we just can't hear them. These sounds can't be heard because there are not enough particles in space for sound waves to travel. So we can't hear anything with our natural ears. Turn your ears into radio receivers, and suddenly you can hear interesting sounds in space. There are various probes zooming through our cosmos that are capable of capturing radio emissions from space objects. These radio emissions are then converted into sound waves. Here are some of the most interesting sounds of the universe.